MBA aspirants, stop scrolling. The CAT 2025 result is expected to be announced today, December 19, by IIM Kozhikode. Following last year's trend where results dropped exactly 2 days after the final answer key, today is the big day. The final answer key was released on December 17 and here is a shocker. Out of 187 objections, only one was accepted in the quant section for shift 1. Nearly 2.58 lakh candidates who appeared on November 30 are now holding their breath for the scorecard link to go live at iimcat.ac.in. Here at Careers360, we have covered this particular news and I'm going to summarize the whole news to you people over here. Now, what's the target? For the top IIMs like Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta, the general category cutoff is expected at 85 to 95 plus percentile. If you are eyeing FMS Delhi, you will likely need a massive 98 plus percentile. Not in the 99 club? Don't worry. Colleges like for IIM Goa and TAPMI are great options for the 80 to 90 percentile bracket. Downloading is very simple. You need to visit iimcat.ac.in, use your user ID and password to log in and click on the scorecard tab. Check your sectional, scaled scores and overall rank carefully. So people, get ready. The WAT-GD-PI rounds begin in the first week of January. For the direct result link and the latest topper list, check the link in our bio. Good luck future managers. Like and subscribe for more IIM updates.